Meet your new productivity buddy, the Cobot, also known as a collaborative robot. A Cobot is a lightweight, automated robot arm that can safely share a workspace with humans, notably used in manufacturing and assembly tasks. While traditional industrial robots play important roles in manufacturing, their cost, size, and programming can limit their use in some industries. A Cobot can detect human presence and adjust its behavior accordingly due to its specialized software and several integrated sensors such as cameras, force sensors, and proximity sensors. Cobots can also be configured to react to specific human motions or vocal commands, enabling natural and intuitive interactions. Some common use cases of cobots include assembly procedures that require precision and repetition, such as screwdriving, part fitting, and insertion, finishing tasks such as consistent polishing, sanding, and buffing of materials, machine tending tasks including computer numerical control, CNC, injection molding and in-circuit testing, and order picking and packaging such as in warehouse distribution centers. Cobots are used in industries like logistics, healthcare, agriculture, construction, and education, to name a few. Needless to say, a Cobot is like having a trusty sidekick that's always down to do the heavy lifting.